Hello guys, welcome back to Crazy Patrick's channel. Today we're trying something new. This is not AirPods. This is actually Insta360 Go 2. It's an action camera. Comes with a case. So this is actually a remote as well. So I can take this camera out like this. And look how tiny it is. How tiny is this? And as you can see, I have this, so I can actually put it here. Use it as an extra camera for running, for vlogging. So I can actually film myself and film the view as well. So I have two cameras now. Very nice. But there's a lot of videos out on this one, so I'm just gonna do a short one. I'm gonna actually stick this one to my Evo 2 drone because it actually comes with this, and it's got sticky tape, so hopefully it will stick to the drone. If not, well, it will be a short video. So, well, it's a little bit windy, but I think it will be okay. Maybe I should press start here. Connecting. And it's I think it's recording now. No? Video? No, it's recording now. So you can see the camera. All right, let's turn this one off. All right, let's do this. Before we do this, I'm gonna try this one. Is it good as a vlogging camera? It's a windy outside, so let's hear if the sound is okay. And also I have this Insta360 stick, and it's pretty long, as you can see. So let's try to vlog. There's no display, so I can't see myself. I have to use the phone, but let's do this way, okay? Okay, let's try this one out. I'm gonna tilt it down like that. And yeah, vlogging with 360 Go 2. How's the sound? There's a highway just beside me here, and yeah, it's a little windy. It's better now. I think it might be snowing soon, so I need to hurry up. All right, here's the train. A train is coming. Okay, so does it work? Can I actually vlog with this camera? And when I tilt it like this, I'm turning the camera, it should be horizontal. I don't know. Let's find out. Now let's strap it onto the drone and let's go out and fly. And then I have some other ideas, but I think I will do that in another video. I'll tell you afterwards. All right? All right. Stick to this Evo 2 now, so also tilted it down a little bit like this. Let's fly it now, and actually I'm shooting this in 1080p instead of 14 blah blah 2K, okay? So 1080p. See, it's connecting. Save, no? All right, so I'm recording now. Off. I'm not gonna fly so long if it drops off. Let's turn around. I'm gonna fly over the football field here.
The aircraft is coming home.
It's coming home. Is it still recording? Connecting? I don't know. Was saying connecting, but it was recording. Now it's connecting as well. Connecting. Try this again. So the glue on here, it wasn't so tight. It was still on the drone though, so that's okay. And this case also charged the batteries in the drone when it's closed, so that's good. And you see this? If I take this one out, I can actually use it as this as well, and hopefully I can put it under my shirt like that and stick it to my shirt and then record like this, walking around, or on my cap. That's pretty neat. Hopefully the footage is okay, and remember it's in 1080p, not 2K. So let's see how it is. And actually my idea was to take out my dolphin, my water drone, and film on the water. But I'm a little bit scared about the glue, So I need to find a solution. If you guys know how to do it, please do comment down below. I'm also going to try something else in this video as well. You know that drone that I filmed with now, it's quite expensive, but I had an idea. Okay, so there's drone laws around here. What about if I buy like a toy drone? So I actually bought, it's called a Bumper drone. So I'm gonna attach the camera to the Bumper drone and let's try this one out. I'm going to grab it, so I need to go back and grab it and then come back. I'll be right back. It will be just a second for you guys, but see you guys. Let's go. Okay, I'm back. So this is the Bumper drone. Bumper drone. Gonna put this battery in here, and I think this might work. I'm gonna stick the camera here. And it's a little windy, but let's try it anyway. Let's go. Well, it took off, but I couldn't control it so good. Let's try it without the camera. So I'm gonna press this one, take off. Well, it flies off in a direction. Let's see if I can bring it back here. No, it's too windy. It's too windy today. It went to some mud, but it's supposed to like take some hits, so I think we might try it indoors someday, or when the wind has calmed down a little bit. So yeah, that was it. Bumper drone with Insta360 Go or with the Evo 2. I think the Evo 2 will win, but this is like 70 bucks. And it's quite fun anyway. I hope. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Let me show you something else. This is magnetic. Ha! Cool, huh?